talking about current animals we're referring to the animals within our farm. So firstly, animal identification is a very important part. By law, we are required to mark our animals according to Animal Identification Act and also for Stock Theft Act, which also will help us so that if one of our animals is found out of the farm, one can identify that this is their animal. And within our farm, one can add additional identification such as ear tag. So ear tags will also help us so that we can see and know our animals individually. So if one animal is sick, one can know which individual is that which is sick. It becomes easier for identification. So that identification, that means it go hand in hand with daily observation. So that means a farmer need to remember that daily observation is an important part. When we wake up in the morning, getting our animal out of the kraal to go to and graze, one need to observe them. For example, one will observe the behavior of the animal as they go out of the kraal. The one which will be sick, normally they will be dragging behind the head. They won't be interested in their environment. And also in the grazing land, they won't be grazing to fill up their rumen. So when they return back, they will still look hungry as if they didn't eat enough. And the walking will also be affected. That means a farmer can see those signs as to this animal is sick. And remember that immediately if one animal is being identified as sick or suspected as sick, need to be isolated and be examined. So when we work with our animals within our farm, we need to remember that we are handling healthy animals, young animals, older animals. Then the sick animals are always the last one to work with them within the farm. And also remember that where possible, staff need to be separated so that we have staff members which will be working with healthy animals and the one which will be working with the sick animals, just to make sure that we don't transfer disease from sick animals to healthy animals. And this animal which is being identified as sick need to be reported. That one is mandatory for all of our farmers to report any sick animals. If the animal is being identified as sick and being isolated and being about to be treated, any treatment which will commence after animal inspection or closer examination, that means it need to go into the medicine register. So that means also the product need to be followed according to manufacturer's instructions so that the animal can be given a proper dose with the correct medication for the correct disease, since the vet will be the one helping us to diagnose the disease and also help with treatment protocols. And also remember, if the animal dies, that means a farmer can also perform postmortem or call a vet so that they can perform a postmortem so that we can know what caused that animal to die. That means through postmortem, we can prevent that disease or prevent that disease to spread within the farm and protect or treat those which are already in the farm. If two animals dies within the farm, one need to remember that they need to call a vet as soon as possible when two animals dies. The disposal of a dead animal need to be done responsibly. That means one will have to take it away from the head and dig a 6 feet deep and cover it with lime. Then that will be a proper disposal. So as a livestock handler and a farmer, remember that your eyes are the first line of defense. So as you see your animals on an ongoing daily basis, you are the first to see any sick animal. So it is of great importance to make sure that any sick or suspect of a sick animal is reported. Thank you.